Do you want to learn a powerful strategy that works in any time frame and maximizes your profits? Today, I have a professional method for you where we'll create an amazing strategy by combining several trading view indicators. Something that many traders don't know but can change the game for you. Hello, this is the Infinity Trading Strategy channel where I share the best trading strategies with you so you can make more profit in financial markets. If you're looking for professional and tested strategies, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any important videos. Alright, let's get to the main point. In this video, we will review two powerful trading view indicators that form the basis of this strategy. The first indicator is the forex algo BIST, which gives us clear buy and sell signals. The second indicator is EMA slope angle, which accurately detects market trends and help us have better filters for entry and exits. Now let's see how we can combine these two and create a winning strategy together. First, choose your symbol and time frame, then add the forex algo BIST indicator to the chart. Now go to its settings and make the changes step by step with me. You don't need to know what this indicator is, where it came from, or how it works. Just look at the signals it generates. We only use this indicator for buy and sell signals. Whenever we see a buy signal, we enter a buy trade. And whenever we see a sell signal, we enter a sell trade. Now go to the indicator section and add the EMA slope indicator to the chart. Enter its settings and make the changes in there. We also use this indicator to identify trends. The green color indicates an uptrend, while the red color indicates a downtrend. Working with these two indicators is easy, but now it's time to combine them and create an awesome trading strategy together. Here's how you should open a buy trade. First, look at the forex indicator and look for a buy signal. When you find it, it's time to look at the EMA slope indicator and make sure you are in an uptrend and the indicator color is green. Now you should see a bullish candle. When you see all these conditions together, you can enter a buy trade. Set your stop loss just below the last swing low. For your take profit, just consider your risk to reward ratio to be 1 to 1.5 and wait for the trade to close profitably. For a sell trade, first ensure that you are in a downtrend. After that, look at the forex indicator and look for a sell signal. When you find it, wait for a bearish candle. Now enter the trade. Set your stop loss just above the last swing high. For your take profit, just consider your risk to reward ratio to be 1 to 1.5 as well. Now wait for the trade to close profitably. Now I will change the time frame and the symbol, and I will show you the specific settings for each time frame so you can trade in any time frame you want. Alright, now we are changing both the time frame and our symbol. Now it's time to adjust the settings of both indicators and apply the specific settings for this time frame on them. Now we can look for buying and selling opportunities. For example, here we see a buy signal. Now we need to check the conditions step by step so we can enter the trade. Here all conditions are okay and we can enter the trade. Or here we can see a sell signal. Now we need to check the conditions to be able to enter a sell trade. Here we can enter a sell trade. Now let's move on to another time frame and different settings so we can test this strategy on another time frame as well. By the way, please let me in the comments what time frame you trade in. I usually choose 5 minutes. How about you? Now that we have changed the time frame, we need to change the settings again and then look for opportunities to enter buy and sell trade to profit from the market. For example, here we see a buy signal. Now we need to check the conditions step by step to enter the trade. Well, all the conditions are okay here, and we can enter the trade. Or here we can see a sell signal. Now we need to check the conditions to enter a sell trade. Here we can enter the sell trade. Now that you have learned this strategy and see how it works in different time frames, it's time for you to try it yourself. Don't forget to adjust the settings according to the time frame and symbol you are trading. Let me know in the comments what time frame gave you the best results. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new strategies. If you're interested in this strategy, make sure to watch this video as it teaches you another method for making profits in the market. Until the next video, wishing you success and profitability.